Today, I move and sound like a caveman.
Huh, huh, huh.
I say hi.
Hi.
And I use big words.
Also known as a pressure relief valve.
What's good? It's the Hunter Hoffman back with insane content! In this video, we address an embarrassing design flaw BMW has made and how we're gonna solve it. Let me take you to the back of the car.
Alright, so to show you the issue, we'd first need to remove this panel, the floor of the trunk, and the liner of the trunk. Huh, huh, huh. So then we're going to disconnect this 12-volt connector and the connector for the Bluetooth module of the exhaust flaps. There we go. As you can see, there's an exhauster here, also known as a pressure relief valve. This exhauster is located right above the very expensive amplifier, and that is what the issue is. So there have been cases that water has entered through these exhausters onto the amplifier, destroying them. BMW has eventually acknowledged this issue and has come up with this state-of-the-art part. So this plastic part is put directly on top of the amplifier to guard it from water possibly splashing inside. But why don't you just put duct tape over the exhauster then? Because besides it not properly functioning anymore, these amps can get quite hot and you don't want to obstruct its ventilation for that matter. Hi, so it's actually another day. I broke this one. I broke one of the plastic tabs on top of the splash guard. So I had to order a new one and wait for it to get in.
Amateur.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and install the new one.
God, just fix it already.
Yes, honey. Alright, so take two. The installation should take around 2 hours or maybe less. Okay, yeah, maybe less. And there we have it, a simple and effective way to protect your very expensive amplifier. Don't cheap out on this, because it might happen to you. So now we're going to button everything up again. And we're done.
So I hope that you enjoyed that bit of content. It's not a lot, but I just wanted to provide you guys with some content under these circumstances. The circumstances being... Anyway, as I said, we keep looking forward and we're staying positive. Your compassionate words and support have been really humbling, and it truly motivates me to get the car back on the road again. If you guys want to see me set up a Patreon with deleted scenes, more footage, and bloopers, just let me know if that's something you guys want to see. Having said that, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. So I hope you enjoyed that bit of content. I know it's not a lot, but...
Fix it already?
No, honey.
Jesus.